Hello guys, welcome to our presentation. In this video, we continue with the power number, but we don't have about the algebra anymore. We learn about the function of the power number. The power number function, you have the same topic with the power number algebra, but in the function you have to learn about how to can you solve function, or you have to graph the power function. So in this video and the starting of this video, I want to remind you about some the best formula about the power number. In example, when you got the power number form is a power to n, it means you got that this form. And the meaning of that form is a is base number and n is the power number. And this power number, when they will have some operation about the power number together. For example, when you got am time with an, it means you have to time a power to n and a power to m. So the result of this operation is you add the power number together. So you add power number together, it means you have to time power number. So it has the same meaning with the divided. A power to m divided by a power to n. It means you got the a m minus n. Okay. So continue with the special power number. It means a power to 0. You got the a power to 0 is mean it one way equal to 1. So a power to 1 always is a. Dừng lại một chút để kiểm tra. Okay. So how about the bracket? A power number. I got a time b inside the bracket and you got n outside. So I will have the a power to n with b power to n. In the same way with the dividend, a power to n divided by b power to n. And the composed power number is mean a power to n, and the outside you got the power to m. It means you have the a power to n times m. For example, when you got a 3 power to 2 and power to 3 outside, so it means you have to 9 power to 3. So 9 power to 3 is means the 81 power to 81 times with 9. So you will got here the 729 in the result. Okay. So with this formula will help you to solve any problem following this video. Okay, now we will start with the first exercise. Evaluate. You got 10 and you got 12 questions here, so you just learn about how to can you calculate and get more specifically understand about the power number with the real number. H power to 2 it means 64. It means 8 times 8. 6 power to 3 is means 6 times 6, so 36 times 6 equal to 621. So 260. 7 power 0 always equal to 1. Minus 5 power to 4 is mean minus 5 times with 4 times. So we will get a 25 times with 25. Okay, so it's quite easy and you can write it in the calculator. Minus 3 power to 5. Minus 3 power to 5 is mean minus 3 times together. 3 times. Minus 3 times minus 3 is 9 because minus times with minus is positive. But the positive times with the negative will be equal to negative 27. So how about F? F you will got 1 over 2 power to 4 is mean 1 power to 4 and 2 power to 4. So 1 power to 4 always is equal to 1 and 2 power to 4 is 16. Okay, in the same way with the J. G 2 power to 3, 3 and 2 power to 3, 3 power to 3, it means 8, and 27. Okay, you can go ahead with the question 8, I, J, K, and L. It's just quite easy because this exercise that's calculate in your calculation, or you can write it by yourself by the calculation. Question 2. Write the form 2 power to n. So 2 power to n is means you have to always have the base number is 2. So we continue with question A. 2 power to 5 plus 2 power to 3 it means you get the plus is the power number and you get 2 power to n. B. 2 power always 2 stand alone is means 2 power to 1. And 2 power to 1 times with 2 power to 6 it means 2 power to 7. Question C, 1 it means 2 power to 0. D is dividend of a power number, so you got the minus is the power number. 2, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. E, 2 power to 9 because of 15 minus 6. And how about F? Inside the bracket and you have the power, another power number outside. If you take the two power number times together, it means 2 power to 40. Question 2. Question 3 is the same thing, but you have to change the power. You have to change the base number. So question A. If you got the constant number times with the constant number, 2p squared times with 4p power to 5. I take the constant number times together. First it means the 2 times 4 is 8 and p will be equal to power to 7. How about B? You got the x squared, x cubed and x 5. It means you have to add the power number all together. So x is power to 10. And C, dividend 12 divided by 2 and power to 7 divided by n power to 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 and n power to 5. D, inside the bracket you got the y equal to 3 and outside 4, so this is y equal to 12. Y power to 12. And D divided by 4 power to 4 d squared. So the first one you have to expand the bracket in the numerator first. 2b and 3 outside is mean 2 power to 3 and b power to 3, 4 and b squared here, and 8 b cubed and 4 b squared. So 8 power divided by 4 is mean 2 and b in here. F, you take p power to q, p power to 3 and p cube, p square q square. P times p is mean you got a p4 here, and q you got a power to 3. So how about J? X divided by x, it means x4 divided by x, and you got the x3. And y3 divided by y square and equal to y. Okay, how about it? The constant number times together is equal to 6. And r, you have only one r squared. How about s? You got s times with s squared means the n cube. Okay, I 2 x cube and y 7. J 6 times with the 2 power 2 over 3 equal to 4. A 5 and B 8. Okay, go on with question K and L. You can work by your self. In the same way with the evaluate, that's quite easy to calculate until now. So, but just carefully about the minor power number. The minus power number I can generate in the formula like this. You got the a power to n. You know how. But you get the a power to minus n is mean. You know about the dividend of the power number. So you got the minus n here is mean 0 minus n. So you got the minus in the power number is mean you got the dividend of the power number. A power to 0 and n power to n in this case. So a power to 0 always equal to 1. You got a power to n here. That's this one is the one new formula for you. Very important. And the, another one is 1 over n power number. This means a power to 1 over n. This means you got the over n in the power number. So you got the n root of a. For example, 9 power 1 over 2 is mean square root of 9 equal to 3. Yes, another one formula. So apply the two formula in this case to the question 4. Now put together. A, you got a 3 power to minus 2. It means 1 over 3 power to 2. 9. B, the power number is 0, so the result always equal to 1. Minus 2 minus 6 will be equal to 1 over minus 2, 6. So 1 will be equal to minus 2 times the together 4 is mean the 4 power to 3, 4 power to 3. Okay, just take 4 power to 3. This will be equal to 16 times 6, so 64. Now D, minus 2, so this will be equal to 1 over 6, 2. So it means I want to change this is 1 over 36. And 1 over 36, it means 1 divided by 1 over 36. 1 divided by 1 over 36 is mean 1 times with the inversely of this fraction over 1. So it will be equal to 36. Question E. You have to change from the mixed number, in this case equal to the fraction. So 1 over 2 is mean the 3 over 2 in the fraction, minus 3. So minus 3 is mean the 1 over 3 over 2, 3 outside. And you will get the 27 divided by 8. And inversely the denominator, you will got that 8, 27 in the final result. So how about F? 9 over 6, so I told you before, square root of 9, so it will be equal to 3. J, it means the 4 root of the 16. 4 root of the 16, it means you have to find the number which is power to 4 will be equal to 16. So you will remember 2 power to 4 will be equal to 16. So you will, so 4 root of the 16 will be equal to 2. Yes. In the same way with the minus 27 power to 1 over 3 is mean the cube root of minus 27, it will be equal to minus 3, because the minus 3 cube will get minus 27. It means you will get that in question I, square root of 1 over 49. This means 1 over 7. J, cube root of 125. So which number times together 3 times will be equal to 125? That is 5. Okay. The square root of 4 over 9. 4 over 9, so you will got the square root of 4 divided by the square root of 9, and 2 divided by 3. Yes, I know you can write down by yourself. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is K, so this is R. 36 minus 1 over 2. Wow. You got the minus number. You got the minus number is the power number, so you will take 1 over 36 power to 1 over 2. That's step by step. So you got the rational power number. This means you got the square root of 36. So the final result you got 1 over 6. Okay, continue with question M. You got both minus and the rational in the power number. I will solve the minus first. The minus in power number is mean I take the 1 over that number. So you got the rational in the power number is mean I can take the root. 4 root of 81 will be equal to 1 over 3. Yes. And the last one in this kind of exercise is I take the minus first. 1 over minus 64 power to 1 over 3 and 1 over 3 power number cube root of minus 64. So 1 will be equal to 1 over will be equal to 1 over minus 4. So question O, P, Q, R, you can work by yourself and don't forget, compare with your partner. This is question 4.